picking up old covers, and they played for far too long. They'd never played like that before, nor played to such a crowd. And the ex-bass, he was jealous, and the singer's mom was proud. They lost a few along the way. For the most part they were staunch, shaking hands and patting backs, 'cause after all, you know, it was their record launch. And they played everything they knew, and against all good advice, that dirty stinky ballad, I believe they played it twice. And the singer's mates from work came down, it seemed a little slack. While he played every song he knew, they all played 8-ball up the back. They've lost a few along the way, but for the most part they were staunch, shaking hands and patting backs, 'cause after all, you know, it was their record launch. Had a drunken Irish publican with hands upon his hips, as the band all sat round posting with sweet champagne to their lips. A doll in a cocktail frock, the drummer's belle de jour. She felt a little overdressed, afraid this didn't mean that they would tour. Oh my God, they're gonna tour. Over to Perth, they're gonna tour. Maybe up to Cairns, they're gonna tour. And they played everything they knew till they couldn't play no more. I think encores are just fine, but hey, they should have stopped at 4. And they'll be back on Wednesday night, don't you get me wrong. If they keep on playing like this, I don't think they'll play here for long. They lost a few along the way, for the most part they were staunch, shaking hands and patting backs, 'cause after all, you know, it was their record launch. Just drinking beers and kicking back, 'cause after all, you know, it was their record launch. The drummer's girl and the singer's mom and his mates from work at their record launch.
And that was my boyfriend.
Shut up.
Hi, boyfriend. Whoa! Holy moly! I ambushed him. Oh, jeez. Who did that?
Who did that?
Don't see me, one. Ow. That's it. You're getting slashed. Nobody hits the president and gets away with it. Do you know who I am?
You would think that the president would be hiding like a little bitch. He wouldn't be out fighting.
Well, when the worst comes to worst, the president is called to duty. Really?
Duty.
Like
Duty.
poopy. I just pissed him off.
Yes, you did.
I killed him eventually.
Kitty, what are you doing here?
I'm waiting for fucking food, you assholes!
Meet Gizmo, the kitty.
Ah!
The adventurous kitty that loves plastic. Yes, plastic. And loves rubbing on things. Sorry about my finger. Hey, kitty. Hey, kitty. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Meow, meow, meow. Meow. Meow, meow. Goodbye, kitty.
You assholes want to be wife, you fucklet.
Oh.
What a fucklet!
And that is all.
That is all she wrote.